Generative AI for content creation. Content is the fuel of digital marketing. Blog posts, social media updates, videos, podcasts, emails, ads. But creating enough high quality content to stand out is a constant challenge. Enter generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, and Claude can draft blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, and even entire ebooks. They're not perfect. They can hallucinate facts or produce bland prose. But in the hands of a skilled editor, they're powerful accelerators. Here's how to use them effectively. Brainstorming. Stuck on ideas? Ask the AI for 10 blog post titles or 20 email subject lines. Outlining. Generate a rough structure for an article, then fill in the details yourself. First drafts. Write a prompt with key points and let the AI produce a draft. Then edit heavily for accuracy, tone, and originality. Repurposing. Turn a blog post into a series of LinkedIn posts or a video transcript into a newsletter. Translation and localization. AI can translate content and adapt it for different cultures with human review. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion can create stunning visuals from text descriptions. Need an image of a cat wearing a spacesuit standing on Mars in the style of Van Gogh? Done in seconds. Use cases include blog featured images, create unique, on-brand visuals without stock photo fees, social media graphics, generate multiple variations for A/B testing. Product concepts, quickly visualize ideas before commissioning professional designs, add creatives, test dozens of image variations to find the highest performing visual, ethical considerations. But there are ethical considerations. Copyright. The legal status of AI-generated images is murky. Be cautious about using prompts that mimic a living artist's style. Disclosure. Some platforms require labeling AI-generated content. Authenticity. Overuse of generic AI art can make your brand feel impersonal. Mix AI with original photography or illustration. Generative AI is also transforming video and audio. Synthesia lets you create AI-generated videos with realistic avatars. Just type a script and choose a presenter. 11 Labs generates eerily human voices. Descript lets you edit video by editing the transcript. Applications include personalized video messages. Send a video to a lead with their name and company mentioned by an AI avatar localization. Dub your videos into multiple languages with lip sync podcast creation. Generate show notes, summaries, and even synthetic voices for narration. Generative AI comes with risks. Here's how to mitigate them. Inaccuracy. AI can hallucinate facts. Always verify, especially for topics where accuracy matters like health, finance, or law. Bias. AI models reflect biases in their training data. Review content for unintended stereotypes or offensive language. Plagiarism. AI can inadvertently reproduce copyrighted text. Use plagiarism checkers if you're concerned. Brand voice dilution. AI might not capture your unique tone. Provide detailed style guides in your prompts, and always edit. Over-reliance. If everyone uses AI to create content, everything may start to sound the same. Human creativity, insight, and authenticity become even more valuable. Here's a practical workflow for using generative AI in content creation. Step 1. Strategize. Decide what content you need and why. Let AI handle volume, you handle direction. Step 2. Prompt. Write detailed prompts. Include your brand voice, target audience, key points, and desired length. Step 3. Generate. Use AI to produce a draft. Step 4. Edit. Fact check, rewrite, and infuse with your unique perspective. Step 5. Optimize. Add SEO elements, calls to action, and formatting for readability. Step 6. Publish and measure. Track performance and feed insights back into your prompts. Generative AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. The best content will always come from a partnership, your strategic mind, and the AI's tireless ability to generate possibilities. In the next chapter, we'll cover data science essentials, the concepts every marketer should know to thrive in the AI era.